Good night. My name is Margotisa Perez. I am religious. I have been part of the community for 15 years. I like to share and talk with people, a place where I went on vacation and at the same time that I received training in the story of the mother founder, Marie Puspa, of Dominican spirituality went to the France. It is a country that has different tourist and historical places. Some of the most representative places are in Paris, such as the Arc de Triomphe Arc, the street of the Campus Elysees, the Eiffel Tower, the Shore of the Sacred Heart. I shall go to France to connect the project that solar energy. You must visit the Palace of Versailles to learn the history of France. You should not litter on the street. They should not abandon a dog. And in spring you can visit the Castle of Versailles to admire the beauty of the flowers. When you travel to France in spring, go out and visit the different castles. Bye.